So welcome back to the channel. So I want to show you in this video one beautiful street where I'm walking, and basically this is the road which takes you to the temple. But when I was walking up, when I came up, I didn't record nothing because I was doing something else, and I didn't want to spend time with recording. But I want to show you how beautiful is this place, and you guys can see how quiet, beautiful, clean, organized, and peaceful is this place, all the way down or up if you're coming up. First time when I see something in English. You can see nice things here. I will try to record as much as possible. So everybody who is coming, and they're going up to the temple, as you already see in the latest video, not the latest, the X videos, the previous videos. I show you the temple. Look at these beautiful places, nice houses. I like on this place you can see a lot of taxi cars, like this one, the old ones. Of course you can find new ones as well. This is a Lexus. Okay, let's continue. I just try to show you as much as possible, because everything looks really nice. This is very nice to have a walk on here. The gardening is beautiful, plants, everything, the way how they organize it is really nice. Really nice. On here, I don't remember exactly which side I have to go, but I think it will be this side. I show you a little bit. Which side? So let's continue. Beautiful, very beautiful. Look at this. I hope you guys can see. It says no photography, but I don't take pictures, I just recording. So I just want to show you how beautiful can be one street if you have some ambition and creativity, and I think is more than that. I think you need education to keep something so clean and tidy and organized. You need education for this. Not too many countries can show this kind of things all around the country. So in Japan you will find it everywhere. Everything is clean. I don't know what is here. Probably is a restaurant or something. Yes, because I see some dishes here. You have some souvenirs here. I think everything is beautiful here. Let's let the car go. So this is my favorite street. If it's about walking, this is my number one. Because why? I tell you, it's very quiet and is basically it's a good weather outside, so it's a pleasure. You feel very, very good while you're walking here. A lot of people coming here because they're going to the temple. They're going to visit the temple, so we've been already there. Now we're going down. Now I'm looking for another destination which will be, I think and I hope will be amazing. And this way the water is coming down. Beautiful. Okay, let's move. We are almost down on the bottom, close to the forest, the bamboo forest. So if you will visit Japan and you will visit the bamboo forest, then you can come here to this temple and you can walk all around this street or road, whatever it is. You can find some coffee shops, everything. And another thing, everywhere you're walking in Japan you will find a lot of vending machines full with water, coffee, everything. So all the time you can you have access to water or any kind of liquid what you need. They have this special water as well, and you can buy this. I don't know how they call it exactly, but it's very good for to hydrate your body, much better than the normal water. It's a very good one. Another taxi. I try to show you. This is a restaurant. It's a nice house. The restaurant is full. It's not bad, very nice. Bamboos. Campus. So hot. It says today it will be 25 degrees, but here in Japan 25 degrees is like 35 in another countries, and the sun is so hot. Basically you feel how you burn. Another place to relax. Nice buildings, nice houses. Look at this property. It's absolutely amazing. Probably you can't see it because of the sun, but it looks really nice. cars are coming, so I have to pay attention because the street is very narrow. It's a little bit tight, everything on here.